So here are four special families of Poncelet triangles inscribed in an ellipse and circumscribing a circular caustic. On the top left, we have focal-X1, and this has a circular caustic centered on one of the foci of the outer ellipse. Second family, shown on the top right, is called iso-X2 because the center of the caustic is at a special point on the ellipse's minor axis such that x2 is stationary also on the minor axis, and x8 as a consequence will be stationary at the outer ellipse's center. On the bottom left we have focal-X4, where a special center C is chosen for the caustic such that the orthocenter becomes stationary, and magically that point of stationarity is one of the foci of the outer ellipse. Finally, on the bottom right, we have iso-X7, where a secondary or another special location for the center of the caustic is chosen, a little bit to the left of the focus of E, or the outer ellipse, such that the Jargon point X7 is stationary on that major axis of E. Okay.